This is how I'm gonna hand fertilize my zucchini and squash plants. I've got a little green garden rod and a little PVC tee. Stuck it in here and put some foam. I'm gonna take this paintbrush and put it through here. And then I'm gonna foam that in on both sides. And then I'm gonna put some duct tape here and here. That way, when I open up the screen, I don't have to bend down. Just move my arm up and down and just do the thing. Hopefully it works. Here you go. Pretty firm. Pollinating by hand to keep the squash vine borer away. To get out here early in the morning while the flowers are open, pollinate with the pollinator. Okay. Get a zoot down there. Get it all in there. Be a little aggressive with it. You want to have some good pollen on the end of that. These are mostly from yesterday, but still flower in there. I'll try to get it in so that was all. Let's see, male flower. And I can reach way back in here. Way back in here too. I got most of these are nothing new open. The yellow squash. I am mixing pollination brush between yellow squash and zucchini. I don't bother to use two separate brushes. As long as they all get covered. Here's some new ones. Flower's not open, so it'll probably open tomorrow morning. There's a flower down back here. I have this non-scientific theory that if you're getting all male flowers, you want to come around and poke all over them so the plant can tell, it does have DNA in the plant. If there's movement, it may set your females. If there's no pollinators around, it's going to have a hard time reproducing. Making copies. Alright, I think we're good to go for today. And the lady let me put squash in our driveway gazebo area. There's a little squashy here. See it? All right.